G'day guys, David here from Sandgate Auto Electrics. Got the Renault motorhome in today. Customer came in complaining about not very much solar power coming in. It'd go for about an hour, 2 hours at night time and it'd die. So what we found was old stick-on solar panels. Weren't putting out much power, they're fairly old, they're about 10 years old. So he wanted to update his system. So we recommended he went through and put your monocrystal solar panels on the roof because they're actually a better style, like they produce better voltage, and go to the Victron Energy solar controller, so that it's an MMPPT one, so it also changes voltage into output into your batteries. Much more efficient regulator, so we recommend using those when you're doing these sorts of systems. So now we'll show you up top and show you what we've done. So as you can see here, what we've done is we've put a 120 watt solar panel down the bottom and a big 200 watt solar panel up the top. These are a Solar Express version. They're very good panels, we use quite a few of these. So that all runs through down to the Victron solar regulator inside. So very soon we'll run it out and give it a test, and we should see straight away at this time of the afternoon probably about 18 or 19 amps coming into the batteries. We'll see how we go. Thank you.